Alright, so today we're going to look at Lesson 5 of Section 1, how to locate points on a number line. So question 1 asks us to find B on segment AC, that is 1/4 of the distance from A to C. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the formula that we're going to use. And the formula is going to look something like this. We're going to say x, let me get my pencil here, x sub 1 plus our fraction a over b times x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So basically what that boils down to is we're going to find the distance between the 2 points. We're going to multiply that with the fraction that they're asking us to find, and then we're going to add to that our starting point, and that'll give us where our point on the number line goes. So to find B on AC, that is 1/4 of the distance from A to C. So we're just going to plug in what we know. We know A is at -5. We know that B is 1/4 of the distance. And we know that C is at 7. And again, B is at -5. So we just follow our order of operations and solve inside the parentheses first. 7 minus -5 is 12. Then 1/4 of 12, or 12 divided by 4, is 3. And then -5 plus 3 is 2. So that means, -2. That means that our point B is at -2. And we can verify that that is the correct spot, because to go from A to B, it is 3 units. To go from B to C is 9 units. And from A to C is 12. So that means 3 is 1/4 of 12, and we have the correct location. So now find x on segment BE, that is 3/5 of the distance from B to E. Alright, so again, we're just going to follow this formula, plug it in. So -1 plus our fraction of 3/5 times our second x minus our first x, so it's -1. So then we use our order of operations. 9 minus -1 is going to be 10. 3/5 of 10, let's see, 5 goes into 10 twice, so that becomes 6. -1 plus 6 is 5, so that goes there at 5. And to verify, again, we know the distance is 10, and from B to, that was point X, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units, and 6 is 3/5 of 10, so we have the correct spot. So that is how we locate points on a number line.